Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you the top best share tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak we have is called Twitter No Ads. It's a free and open source tweak for Twitter. So this change log, you have remove ads, remove fleets, hide news and trend and post, and search tab, hide who to follow section, can save videos, skip analytic URL, open up a link, lightweight, support iOS 10, not tested, iOS 11, 12, and 13 were tested. It supports the latest version of Twitter. If it doesn't work, you should update the app to the latest version. This tweak called Answer Machine ets. And basically with this tweak, for iOS 11, 12, and 13, it receives voicemails on device. So don't call your provider anymore. Miss or decline calls. This handles all your voicemails. And you also can add different features. You have native notifications, voice recognition. Brings you a text version of recorded voicemails. You record your own greetings or use system's voice, like Siri, to greet your callers by their name. Assign dynamic greetings, call, screen, and listen. Pick up a call if you wish while they are still leaving you a voicemail. Call UI suppress while they're leaving a voicemail. Continue what you were doing. DTMF, which is touch tone commands. You can call your remote remotely and listen to your messages. So it's a bunch of stuff you guys can do. Really cool. The next week is called discrete voice memos, and it gives you the way to make in one shot discrete and secretive. The Voice Memos app just disables some intrusive features like the view of the waveform in the lock screen, the view of the red status bar, and the start sound when recording. So, pretty cool. Next we have is called Call Log Pro, iOS 8 to 13, and now with iOS 13.edge support, with the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max support. It allows you to manage your calls history and delete calls records one by one. It also works on firmware starting from iOS 8.0 up to iOS 13. This week we have is called Nougat, and basically it's experience Android right on your iOS device. So it brings notification panel from Android Nougat and Oreo. Next week is called Dope Convos. Makes your Messages app dope. So you have endless customization for the Messages app or SMS app. So you have these features right here, guys. It's only compatible with iOS 13, by the way. The next tweak is actually called FlyJBX. It was just actually updated, so it's a new tweak. It's basically FlyJB, but I guess it was just revamped and it was updated, so it became a new tweak, but it's still the same thing. You can hide doing your jailbreak, your iDevice. So basically, it's like a jailbreak, bypass jailbreak detection. So some apps don't let you use your device because you're jailbroken, or you don't want to detect that you have a jailbreak, so you won't get banned, for Snapchat. Then this is a tweak that could come in handy. This tweak is called Status Bar Support. Adds theme support for extra status bar icons for snowboard. This tweak is called Lobelius, and design your own lock screen music player. So design your own lock screen music player. This tweak is called libkitten. Library to get 3 different colors from an image. This tweak is called Lisa, and customize your lock screen experience. This is called Aurora, and basically makes your calendar, weather, clock, and music labels stand out or useful. Next tweak is called Dress, and what this tweak does, it dresses up your lock screen. So you customize your lock screen with one tweak instead of needing multiple ones. Next tweak is called June, Spotify inspired lock screen player, a lock screen player replacement inspired by the old Spotify canvas view. Next tweak is called Heartlines. I noticed something trembling on your heartlines. Brings a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. This is called Among Lock, and Among Us inspired passcode screen. This is called Butterfly, little colors flying around everywhere. Change the colors of your cursor, highlight color, scroll indicator, and status bar pill. This is called Koi, colored force touch backgrounds. This is called Rose, again peep by Rose and Feel Like Good. It's time to change that. It's the most advanced and feature-rich system-wide haptic feedback tweak. This is called Loon, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It let a moon icon appear while Do Not Disturb is enabled. This is called Puck Activator Action, action for Puck. This is called Puck, Magical Watching Spirit, prevent the need of re-jailbreaking. This is called Naita, and basically it replaces your carrier with an emoji, which represents the current weather condition. You can also add the current temperature or only use text. This tweak is called Smooth Lock Ets, and what this tweak does, if it's fully working on iPhone X and so it's installed written for it, gives you smooth and clean views of your lock screen on the iPhone X, providing at the moment features like these features. It also supports from iOS 11 to iOS 14. You get these features right here. This tweet is called Yobon Evolution, and what this tweet does, it's been completely rewritten from the successor of Yobon Pro. So you have these features right here. This tweet is called Note Theft 3, and basically what this tweet does, it's good if someone actually steals your phone. It's not good, but it's made if your phone gets stolen, because there's many options that you can some kind of alarm, or kind of like scare the person off in a way, and also find your phone. So you have a charger option, so you have a lock screen option, remote commands, so temps, disable shutdown, custom alarm, safe Wi-Fi. It's just so if someone does steal your phone, then there's a way you guys can get it back with this tweak. So this tweak could be a lifesaver. So if someone steals your phone, this tweak can literally save you and get your phone back for you. So it's make sure you guys read it. And was added support for iOS 14, by the way. Next week is called See Sources 2 and Manage and Toggle APT Source Entries. See Sources 2. It gives you full control over your sources. This is called Vinyl, and what this tweak is a simplified look for the lock screen music player. This tweak is actually a theme called Miracle, and it's beautiful and vibrant iOS theme. So takes over iOS, and that's how it looks. This tweak is called Fake Picture. It's used for taking fake pictures. When asked app to take a picture or selfie from the iPhone camera app, it gets replaced with an image you set. So it's a good way to protect your privacy. Just note that Fake Picture cannot replace the pictures taken by the app or camera app. This tweak is called Social Composer, and a quick and efficient way to use your social skills. You can quickly write messages, mails, without the need to get inside the app itself. Quickly tweet, share, post any photo from your social media apps from anywhere on your device. Design your own grabber and view position. Change the order of the apps in your view. And supports these applications right here, these social media apps. You see they just add some new ones. This uses a theme called Mida, and with this theme, I should show you the screenshot of it. It's like a white theme. And the last tweak is called YouTube Reborn, and it's YouTube Customizer, so it's basically YouTube plus alternative. You actually could use, I think, picture-in-picture mode. It was just recently added to this tweak. You download videos from YouTube. So, yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.